Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use TradingView for Robinhood. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily use your TradingView on Robinhood. So open the TradingView, search the ticker and open its chart. Create an alert, then click the alert button, set conditions, which is the price or indicator, then set notification type to app push or email, then click save. So write a clear alert message, like e.g. you can put in the buy signal or the sell signal, so you know what to do when it fires. So when the chart alert fires, open the TradingView notification on your phone, then open the Robinhood app immediately. Search the same ticker in Robinhood and verify the exchange, which is the symbol match. Then tap the trade, which is the buy or sell. Then enter the shares or dollar amount and pick order type. Market to execute fast. Reveal the price, amount, and the spillage, then submit confirm. So after entry, add a stop loss or limit in Robinhood to manage your risk. So always verify the symbol network and send a small text if unassured. And remember, TradingView Robinhood is manually, not a direct official integration. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.